Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 47. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and open a new part template. Now we have a fresh workspace to work with. And let's go to the sketch toolbar and select the sketch tool and start doing the sketch. In this case, maybe I would prefer to start the sketch with on the right plane. So we'll select the right plane and I'll simply start doing the sketch here. We'll make a rough shape of this. Maybe I'll keep it till here and simply create a center line here and select these lines. And go for mirror entities with respect to this. Oops. Delete the last line with respect to this. Click on the tick mark. Finally, I'll just drag and drop this. And we'll also draw a line from here to here to complete the loop. And now let's start giving the dimension of this. So that would be 40 over here. And overall length will be 96. And the overall length will be 100. And this will be 55. This height would be how much? So that is 100 minus 15 will be, okay, we can just give 15 here. That's also fine. And this will be 70. So we have this sketch almost fully constrained. Let's exit the sketch now. And then we'll go for features, extrude boss and base. That will be 25 each on both sides. Double enter. And now we have to maybe create this geometry. So to create that in a simple way, you can select this face here and simply create a rectangle. Smart dimension, and this will be radius 20, so radius 10, so this will be 20, and the thickness of this would be 10 once again, and this is resting at a height of how much? 35 from the top. So this is 35, so now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch now, and then we can go for extrude boss and base of at a height of 10 plus 10, 20. So 10 is this length and 10 is the radius, so 20. Now we can simply select this face here, this edge here and this edge, and go for edge fillet of radius 10. Double enter. And also we can select this face here and go for, oops. Oh, what happened? we can select this face here and go for the sketch and simply create another circle with respect to this curvature, and that circle will be of diameter 10, so radius will be 5. Right. Doesn't seem like it got the dimension, so radius 10, diameter 10, so that's good. Now the sketch is in the black color, so that means that's fully constrained. Exit the sketch now, and then you can go for extruded cut, and that would be up to next. Double enter. Now we have that particular model fully constrained and fully made now. So let's simply select this boss and this fillet and this cut extrude, and you can simply go for mirror and do a mirror with respect to the front plane. You can simply press enter to confirm that. Now we have that made. Now what you can do is next thing is to create this dumbbell shape. So to do that, you can select this face, go for the sketch, and firstly maybe create this semicircle of diameter how much? Of diameter 20. Oops. Okay, of diameter 20, and select this edge here and go for convert entities and use a trim command and trim these portions. And you can simply click on the tick mark, click on exit sketch and go for extrude, and you can do a complete up to next extrude. Double enter. Oops. And now you can select this face once again and go for the sketch, and this time you can create another circle and yet another circle, and that circle will be of radius 18, so diameter will be 36. And this one should be cordial with this, so you can simply select that and make sure that the color is black for the sketch. You can simply select these two lines and go for convert entities and go for trim entities and trim all these portions unwanted. Exit the sketch now. Then you can simply go for extrude boss and base, extrude and reverse direction and reverse it and create it till here. The overall length, that'll be 50. Oops, okay, so what we can do is let's create, where is that, edit features. So you can see that it's only 10, so let's give 10 here. Alright, now we have it here, and let's unhide this sketch and use the same sketch, and or maybe what we can do is let it be hidden. What we can do is we can select this face and go for reference geometry and create a plane in reverse direction, flip offset, and you can give it as 25 here. Okay, so we have a plane in the middle, right? You can simply select this boss extrude and go for mirror and select this as a mirroring plane and click on the tick mark, and we have that created on the other side as well. Finally, we only have to create a hole here. So now what we can do is let's select this face here and go for the sketch and create a rectangle, and dimension that rectangle with respect to 30 here and 20 here and 10 from this edge. Now we have to create a center line, and then select these two lines here by control selecting it and then going for symmetry, and now we have a completely black sketch. So as we exit the sketch here, and if you see it from the side, you'll be able to see that that's what they meant by creating this that's what they meant by doing this dimension over here. So as we see here, if we were to create this rectangle on this face and give the dimension, it would have been technically wrong. So now the next step would be to select this rectangle and then going for extruded cut, and we can do through all, and as we see on the other side, that's already done. Now here the only problem that I see in this is there is some kind of alright, we'll do one thing. We'll just assume that this geometry is there on all the four sides. So assuming that, what we can do is select this and the fillet and the cut extrude and the mirror, and then you can mirror it with respect to, there was a plane here, right? Okay, you can mirror it with respect to this plane. Click on the tick mark, and if we see it from this side, yeah, okay. So assuming that this is a symmetric geometry and it is covered on all the four sides equally, we'll be getting this in this fashion. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt on this particular video, you can comment below the video, or else if you would like to discuss something with me or any project inquiries or anything, you can write to me at katia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Share, subscribe, like, and also stay tuned.